Everyone is looking for answers. How do I become happy? How do I find success? How do I live a good life? And for every question, there is an army of so-called experts ready to provide a prescription. Wake up at 5 a.m., meditate for an hour a day, follow these 10 steps to happiness. But has anyone ever stopped to ask, has this truly worked for anyone? If the secret to happiness could be filtered into a formula, wouldn't everyone be happy by now? If success could be achieved through a set of instructions, wouldn't everyone be successful? The truth is, advice does not work. Prescriptions do not work. Because your life is not a template. You are not a formula to be solved. And happiness is not something you achieve by following another person's blueprint. But this is what people do. They chase one prescription after another, always believing that the next book, the next guru, the next influencer will finally reveal the secret. Yet, after all the advice, after all the self-help, after all the morning routine of billionaires, where do they end up? Right back where they started, searching, hoping, wondering why the prescription never worked for them. It never worked because truth cannot be borrowed. It cannot be learned from a YouTube video or copied from someone else's life. It must be discovered internally, individually, personally. Happiness is not found in following a prescription. Happiness is found in the moment you stop looking for one, when you stop chasing someone else's truth and start discovering your own, when you stop living by someone else's rules and start questioning everything. What if no one else has the answers? What if you are your own teacher? What if instead of asking, what should I do? You started asking, what do I truly want? That is where freedom begins, not in blindly following, but in deeply questioning, not in collecting advice, but in throwing it all away and looking inward. So here's the real question. Are you ready to stop searching outside yourself and start looking within? Because no advice, no prescription, no guru can give you what only you can find. Authenticity starts within.